Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step-by-step how you can manage external applications, like for example, Assign, Trello, Google Calendar, and so on and so forth, in your Slack account or in your Slack workspace. For example, to communicate with these applications, to use their features for your projects, and to run your teams and projects, and to integrate them in your list of applications. Integrating external apps into Slack can help you centralize your workflow, save time, and reduce the need to switch between multiple tools. So let us show you really quickly how you can do that. Guys, it is actually no rocket science. So what you want to do first is head over to your workspace on Slack, log into your account, launch the Slack application, for example, via the web browser, and select your workspace here in the top left corner by hovering your mouse over the current workspace here and select the workspace. So let me go with this one here. Pro tip, using the Slack desktop app instead of the web version can sometimes make app integration faster and more stable. And what you want to do next, guys, is take a look at that panel or list here to the left. So as you can see, here are the channels. Here is the direct messaging section where you can communicate with your team and members. And below, you see an app section called Apps. Below, you'll see a list of all integrated applications, like the Slack bot, for instance. Here, you may give it various commands by, for example, using the message tool here at the bottom and typing in a slash. And then use one of these suggested commands or enter the first letter of the command, like T, for example, or C, or something like that. You will see a list of suggested commands below so that you may use that, for example, to give the Slackbot various instructions. Slackbot can be a powerful assistant to automate reminders, task updates, or notifications from your integrated apps. But if you'd like to integrate, let's say, for example, other applications to link your account here on Slack with your account in the other application, all you want to do is simply integrate it here into your list of apps. This is how you can do it. Click into Add Apps here at the bottom of that list. That is going to redirect you to that library or portfolio here on Slack. So here you will see all apps that you're currently using in the given workspace on Slack, as well as a couple of recommendations. But if you like to gain access to the entire Slack Marketplace, simply click into Browse Slack Marketplace here, or Open in Slack Marketplace. Here in the top right corner, you may also use the search bar. So if I, for instance, type in, ClickUp or something like that, I will see ClickUp listed under these available apps. Clicking to install here, or we may also head over to the Slack Marketplace just like that and wait for it to load. And there you go, you will see these apps and assistants listed below. You may also click into See All here to get a better overview, like for example, various daily tools, and so on and so forth. Exploring the full marketplace can reveal integrations that you might not have considered, such as time tracking tools, reporting apps, or calendar integrations. So let me go, for example, with the aforementioned ClickUp. To do that, search for ClickUp here, and after that, under Available Apps, click into Install here to the right. That is going to open up that menu here. After that, wait for it to load, go through that short description, if you like, to familiarize yourself with the features and functions, how you can use ClickUp in your Slack account, and if you'd like to link both of them, guys, simply click into this button here, Add to Slack. After that, read through that description here or instruction. It's a good idea to check the app's permissions before adding it to Slack to ensure you're comfortable with the data it can access. Now, ClickUp is not the best example, as you can see, because you will need to go through that instruction. So let me provide you with an easier example. So let me go, for instance, with Google-based software and apps, like for instance, Google Drive. Click into it, and after that, you'll be redirected. So click into Add to Slack here. Again, make sure that you are logged in with your Google account, of course. After that, Google Drive will ask you for permission to link its account or your account on Google Drive with your Slack workspace. So if you're okay with that, click into Allow here, or read through these permissions. After that, make sure that you are logged in with your Google account. If that's not the case, guys, log into it, confirm by clicking on Continue here, and there you go. As you can see, I have already access to, or my Slack workspace has already access to Google Drive. But if that's not the case for you guys, simply click continue here, and after that, both your accounts will be linked and also authenticated. There you go, so that you may, for example, exchange information between your Google Drive account and your Slack account. This allows you to attach documents directly to Slack conversations, receive notifications when files are updated, and collaborate without leaving Slack. Once you have integrated the given application, guys, it will be listed here in your list of apps to the left. So you may access it like you access, for example, chats or conversations, and use the application here in the text box to communicate with the application and follow these instructions. For example, type this or that to give the given application the command, for instance, start, stop, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you integrate external applications in your Slack workspace. Pro tip: once you have multiple apps connected, consider creating a tools channel in Slack to share app commands and updates with your team so everyone stays on the same page. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials that help you streamline your workflow.